નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, બીકોમ સેમ 5 બિઝનેસ લો ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમ એમાં આપણે ચોથા નંબરનું ચેપ્ટર જોતા હતા, પ્રપોઝલ એટલે કે ઓફર, એક્સેપ્ટન્સ એન્ડ કમ્યુનિકેશન્સ. એમાં આપણે ચોથા નંબરનો ટોપિક જોઈએ, ઓફર મસ્ટ બી ડિસ્ટેન્જિનિયસ ફ્રોમ ધ એવરી એક્સપિરિયન્સ of willingness to enter into a contract may not amount to an offer in the legal sense. It may be only a first and preliminary step in the formations of the contract. Thus, it becomes necessary to distinguish between the offer on the one hand and ફર્સ્ટ નંબરનો ટોપિક છે એ મેડ ડિક્લેરેશન ઓફ ઇન્ટેન્શન. સેકન્ડ નંબરમાં છે અન ઇન્ટેન્શન ટુ મેક અન ઓફર. એન્ડ થર્ડ નંબરમાં છે એક્શન સેલ ઓન ધ અધર હેન્ડ. હવે એમાં પહેલા નંબરનો ટોપિક જોઈએ, મેરા ડિક્લેરેશન ઓફ ઇન્ટેન્શન. If a person merely declares his intention to do something, it will not give rise to any right or liability. A casual talk is also held not to be an offer. The Privacy Council decisions Harvey v. Face has the merit of explaining the distinction. The plaintiff telegraphed to the defendant different writing, will you sell us bumper hall pen? Telegraph lowest cash price. The defendant replied also by telegram. Lowest price for bumper hall pen ₹900. The plaintiff immediately sent their last telegram stating, we agree to buy bumper hall pen for 900 as by you. The different Howard refused to sell the plot of land at that price. The plaintiff contended that by quoting that minimum price in response to the inquiry, the defendant had made an offer should sell at that price. The court was of the opinion that Mera's statement of the lowest price at which the wonderful seal contains no implicit contract to sell at that price to the person making the inquiry. Inequitable. The different in the court of a casual conversation stated that he was willing to give ₹100 to anyone marrying his daughter with his consent. The plaintiff having married the daughter wished such consent such for the amount. The court observed that it